If you're thinking about moving to Fort Lauderdale, but you're worried about the hassle, you're not alone. I did this same thing at the end of 2021, and today I'm sharing a step-by-step guide to make your relocation smooth, organized, and as stress-free as possible. First, start by immersing yourself in as much information as you can find. Watch YouTube neighborhood tours, real estate walkthroughs, and day in the life vlogs. Learn about the differences between greater Fort Lauderdale and areas a bit further west, south, or north of Fort Lauderdale. Pay attention to demographics, local vibe, commute times, and lifestyle so you don't end up in a spot that doesn't feel like you. Next, get clear on what really matters to you. Consider your work, commute, budget, and how close you want to be to the beach. You want a walkable city core area like downtown, Rio Vista, or Seven Isles, or are you drawn to quieter suburbs like Coral Ridge, Wilton Manors, or Davie? Knowing your non-negotiables makes every other decision easier. Before you commit to anything, spend at least one long weekend here. Explore neighborhoods, drive your potential commute routes, and get a feel for the area. Use online maps to visualize how the coastal zones transition into inland neighborhoods. Seeing everything in person is a game changer. While you're here, walk, drive, or bike around the neighborhoods on your short list. Matter of fact, I have an entire video on the most walkable neighborhoods in Fort Lauderdale if you want to check that out. Don't forget to test drive your future routine. Check parking availability, traffic flow, especially west of I-95 and south of Cypress Creek, and local public transportation. Visit grocery stores, schools, parks, gyms, and entertainment spots to see what your day-to-day life might feel like. After your visit, narrow it down to your top 2 or 3 neighborhoods. Then dig into the details. Compare cost of living, include rent or mortgage, utilities, homeowners insurance, and property taxes. This will help you set a realistic budget and avoid surprises later. So when you're ready to start your search, reach out to a local agent like myself that can help you out. Look at listings online and schedule in-person tours of both rentals and homes for sale. Take your time comparing both options so you don't rush into something that you'll regret. And once you land on your new place to live, it's time to get organized. Hire a reliable moving company or pack everything into a U-Haul like I did. Go ahead and set up your utilities like electric, water, and internet in advance. Update your address on your driver's license, voter registration, insurance policies, and bank accounts. Timing makes a big difference. If you can, try to avoid the hurricane season peak from August to October. Spring or early summer is ideal. Pleasant temperatures, easier scheduling with movers, and you'll be ready to enjoy the beach as soon as you arrive. Finally, give yourself time to get comfortable and connect with the community. Join neighborhood groups on Facebook or Nextdoor. Get out and explore Fort Lauderdale's highlights like the beaches, Las Olas dining, parks, boat canals, and local festivals. The more you put yourself out there, the faster this place will start to feel like home. So if you're looking to move to Fort Lauderdale, follow these 10 steps to make your move as efficient and as stress-free as possible. So if you're watching this video, you're obviously thinking about moving to Fort Lauderdale. If that ends up being the case, feel free to shoot me a text. I did the same thing about 3 years ago now, so I can offer a lot of insight and help you with that move. All of my contact details are in the description of this video. I'll see you in the next one.